In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender liner on your Ford F-150 located behind the front wheels. Using our 22mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove our lug nuts. With the lug nuts removed, grab your wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now we're going to remove our fender liner. We're going to start by using our 7/32 socket and loosen and remove all of the screws. There are a total of 7 of these. We're going to start here in the front. They go right up and around the fender lip and around the other side. Just continue this process right up and over. We're going to use our trim tool. There's going to be 3 of these plastic push buttons here. I'm going to go ahead and pop these out. Now that we have all of our trim buttons out, on the front section here, there's a little screw plug. I'm going to rotate that counterclockwise, unthread that, and then you should be able to pluck that right out of there. Grab that fender liner, work it out from the fender itself. Go ahead and remove it. Now we have our fender liner just kind of tucked up into place here, and I'm going to start by getting this installed on the back section here first. Because it's pretty rigid here, we're going to pop this in and work this down into position. Work your fender liner around, and as we bring it around, I want to make sure that the upper portion is inside the lip as well. I'm going to take one of our plastic push pins, get that lined up over here, and press that in. Now I want to go ahead and get this lower portion lined up. You're going to have to just kind of work the fender liner around. Not going to tighten that down yet. I want to go ahead and get the other one installed here. We'll snug these down. I'm going to install our next plastic push pin up here. With that installed there, I'm going to follow up with the screws up around the perimeter. Install the other push pin up front here. We have our last 2 screws here. And our last plastic insert, this is the dial that unscrews. So you want to make sure that the dial piece is separated from the base. I'm going to press that base in. And then go ahead and spin that in. Snug that down. After you're done here, we now install the wheel. Grab your wheel, line it up on the studs. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started. Once they're all started, we'll go ahead and snug them down. We're now going to torque down our lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds. When doing this here, you want to do it in a crisscross or a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.